Kasama siya sila Senator.
Alam mo, nakawa nga ako kay Senator Risa. Nakawa talaga ako sa kanya. Alam mo, kampanya sa para sa kanya mga kandidato. Tapos sabi niya, gagawa siya ng sarili niyang bloke, na independent block. And ngayon, mag-isa na lang siya. Kaya, I heard na mag-isa na lang siya. I cannot confirm nor deny this. But,
Hindi yung i-adapt, sir.
of course, she's most welcome to join us. Although, we have a divergent, I'd say, position on some issues. Kasi of course, she's more on the left side, we're more on the conservative side. Many of you know I'm a conservative politician. So, but you know, when it comes to transparency, sama-sama kami. Diba? When it comes to abuse of authority, dapat sama-sama kami na tumayo. We welcome her to join us. We'll adopt her even if she is supposed to be adopted.
So, 5 ang minority.